The Director General of the Universal Post Union, Mr. Masahiko Metoki,
Yes.
Excellencies and members of the Diplomatic Corps here today, welcome. It's great to see you all. The Chairman of the Board of Post Fiji, Mr. Sireli Leonigila, CEO of Post Fiji, Dr. Anirudh Bansod, government representatives here today, stakeholders, invited guests, ladies and gentlemen. Before I make my formal remarks, I just thought I'd just share some personal thoughts in the beginning. You will not believe it, but I used to run around in the corridors of this office when I was a young lad, let's say 40 years ago, or maybe 50 years ago. Back then, this place used to be called the Savings Bank of Fiji. Then it became Post Telecom Fiji. Then it split up and became Telecom Fiji and Post Fiji. And so I have kind of been, over the years, tracking with much interest the evolution of the industry as it has morphed itself. And I've been particularly always interested in the activities of Post Fiji, particularly because it's probably got one of the most challenging business models in the world today. With ease of communication, the ease of doing commerce. Core business was actually letter writing movement in the past. So I've always been intrigued to see how Post Fiji has tried, or the postal business in general, has tried to evolve with the changing times. And so it's a pleasure to be here to continue to watch the evolution of Post Fiji. And today again marks a historical event for the postal sector in Fiji and the Pacific region as we inaugurate the UPU or sub-regional office in Fiji, right here in Post Fiji. So what a better, there's no other better place than to actually house the sub-regional office here at the Post Fiji Limited's headquarters, which, as I said, holds a lot of great history about our small country as well. Director General, allow me to extend the government's appreciation in your confidence to establish an office in Fiji. The Prime Minister, who is also the Minister for Public Enterprises, has requested me to convey to you, Director General, his deep appreciation for having chosen Fiji as the host country for the sub-regional office for UPU. He would have very much liked to be here, but his commitments entailing travel to Papua New Guinea for the state visit and of the Honorable Prime Minister for India, Narendra Modi, and the U.S. Secretary for State, Anthony J. Blinken, has precluded him from being here today. And he has asked me to convey sincere apologies but best wishes for this auspicious occasion, and looks forward to continuing collaboration with the UPU. This initiative is a testament to the great relationship that exists between the UPU and the government of Fiji. It is one that we hope will continue into the future and we can mutually benefit from. As you probably are aware, Fiji has long touted itself as a regional hub of the Pacific. And that being the case, we are so honored that the UPU is setting up in Fiji. But I think the CEO touched on something that has been a message I certainly have been sharing out there. Fiji's desire to be a regional hub is not a selfish ambition. It's just not purely about Fiji. It's about the region. So in terms of, whilst we endeavor to develop Fiji as a genuine regional hub in the Pacific, I continue to believe that in doing so, all Pacific nations will benefit from Fiji being a hub. I will not go into some details as examples, but there are already examples of the regional opportunities that exist between our countries surrounding Fiji's ambitions to be a regional hub. We are honored, of course, to host the sub-regional office as a prestigious international organization such as UPU for several reasons. Firstly, it will enhance UPU's ability to provide member countries in the Pacific region with technical assistance for the development and modernization of their postal services. And if you reflect on the challenges in the postal services business model, I think it's great that they are here in the region. The new office will oversee postal operations not only for Fiji, but we'll have 8 Pacific neighboring countries, such as Kiribati, Nauru, Papua New Guinea, Samoa, Solomon Islands, Tonga, Tuvalu, and Vanuatu, represented from our office here in Fiji. And I have discovered that we will have a one talk from Vanuatu running the sub-regional office. I'm not sure whether he's in the room here somewhere. He's sitting right in the back there. And so welcome One Talk to Fiji, and we look forward to working with you. With a sub-regional office in Fiji, UPU will be better placed to strengthen its relationship between the Pacific Island members. And finally, as our national postal service provider, Post Fiji has direct access to UPU technical assistance, given the close proximity to the new office premises. Needless to say, other postal operators in the Pacific region will also have easier access to UPU technical expertise. I understand that in accordance with the UPU's Development Cooperation Policy 2022 to 2025, the UPU is ensuring the continuity of the regional approach through regional development plans that incorporate all of the UPU's activities within a coherent and cohesive framework. Ladies and gentlemen, the global postal sector continues to face tough challenges, as I have mentioned, such as digitized competition, evolving consumer demands, continuing decline in letter volumes, as is obvious. It is therefore critical that postal operators continue to redefine its business operations. Given the challenges that the postal sector is facing, we are grateful, therefore, that the UPU has decided to open its office in Fiji and ensure that the Pacific postal sector is not left behind, and that we are equipped with necessary financial technical support to develop relevant technologies and business opportunities and remain innovative so that the ever-changing consumer expectations continues to be met. Undoubtedly, this new regional office will promote the principle of regionalism, as I had mentioned, and strengthens Fiji's relationship with other Pacific Island postal operators, and by default, or by natural progression, continue to strengthen ties with the regional governments, our brothers and sisters. Ladies and gentlemen, to formalize the establishment of this new UPU sub-regional office, the government of Fiji, together with UPU, will sign a host country agreement. At this juncture, I would like to thank the board and management of Post Fiji for agreeing to partner with the government to successfully host the new sub-regional office here in Fiji. Again, I would like to extend the government of Fiji's sincere appreciation to the Director General and his team for having the confidence to establish a regional office that will not only benefit Fiji, but benefit all our Pacific operators. Please accept our best wishes for the UPU's operations in Fiji and the plans for the rest of the year, and we hope you will enjoy the rest of your stay in our country. Thank you, and vinakavaleu.
Good morning, everyone. Acting Prime Minister, Honorable Manoa Kamikamica, distinguished guests, the diplomats, representatives, and high officials, government of Fiji, colleagues, ladies and gentlemen. Before starting my official statement, I would like to extend my sincere appreciation for the Honorable Acting Prime Minister's encouraging and kind words, and I also very much appreciate you kindly deliver my best regards and appreciation to the Honorable Prime Minister of Fiji. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm thrilled to address you all on this bright occasion of the inauguration of the new UPU regional office here in Suva. Your presence here today proves the importance of that critical milestone in the history of Fiji and the Pacific region and the UPU. It has been an honor for me to take part in this important event as the first UPU Director General elected from the Asian Pacific region. Thank you very much on taking advantage of this occasion, the strong support to my candidacy from Asian Pacific countries. I'm grateful to the government of Fiji on this invitation. On behalf of the UPU, I wish to congratulate the government of Fiji and the whole post-Fiji team for the excellent organization of this inauguration ceremony. I would like to remind you that the post is an essential pillar for the socio-economic development of any country. With 656,000 post office and over 5 million staff worldwide, the post represents the largest logistics network. Its reliable and sound infrastructure extends to the most remote places around the globe. The post is very often the only window of information for the most isolated and vulnerable. Without a doubt, it is an invariable part of future growth strategies in the Pacific. Fiji has always played a central role in the development of this region. Thanks to its geographic location, it is ideally suited to act as the main center for the UPU's many activities in the Pacific. With this in mind, we have established this UPU regional office in Suva as our field representation for 9 Pacific countries belonging to the UPU family. The main purpose of this new office, new hub, is to help operators achieve a varied portfolio of quality postal services and also to enhance infrastructure, deepen collaboration among industrial stakeholders, and bring wider development of the region, especially in least developed countries and small island developing states. Now I would like to also mention the new expert of this office, Andrew Rimanley. as you probably already know very well, he has a good expertise and experience in Kiribati Post. But now, from now on, I'm convinced that he will contribute from not only Kiribati, but also the all Pacific countries as a new expert in this office. This new hub will help us to implement many joint initiatives, for example, in e-commerce and trade facilitation, digitalization, financial inclusion, provision of social and government service at post offices, and sustainable environment protections. We are aware of massive challenges facing the country in the Pacific because of climate change. The UPU's Disaster Readiness Management Program has undertaken a number of projects in this climate fragile region so that the post can continue to play its role. Later today, we'll be launching a special disaster risk management project in partnership with Postal Fiji. Once again, we are grateful to Fiji to setting up this postal hub as we seek closer collaboration with industry stakeholders to enhance our presence in the Pacific. I believe that the regional office holds a promise for a brighter future for the region. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Okay, 1, 2,
Three.
3.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.